Hey guys, Harsh here back in the day. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this DIY LED panel for your DSLR camera. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all what you have to decide is what type of light you are going to be used. So I am going to use a LED panel. It is a 12 volt LED panel and there are a lot of LEDs in there which will give us a bright light, and I am going to use two of them to get some extra light. Then for the frame I will be using wood sticks like this one, and I have cutted them according to the length of the LED panel so that they will form a perfect frame all around the lights. Then to mount this LED on the camera I will be using a hot shoe converter. This is a hot shoe to a 1/4 inch screw mount, and it has some little dials like this to tighten up the things that you want to install on there. So it is pretty nice and I recommend this buying for other things also. As for the power, I will be connecting it to a 12 volt DC adapter. So I will be using a female DC adapter from which my male adapter will connect, and I have soldered the wires to it also. And to a note that the pin which is inside the connector is the positive pin, so I have connected a red wire to indicate that it is the positive, and the cylinder, the outer cylinder, is the negative wire, so I have connected a negative wire to the cylinder. Now for handheld purposes I have also made this battery pack. So it is a 8 battery pack because I will be using 1.5 volts battery, and there are going to be total 8 batteries in here, which will give us a mobile functionality of the light. Okay, now we can start by building the frame. Now I'm going to just place them like this and just put some super glue in them and hold it long enough for the super glue to dry, and then we can mount the LED panel further on. Okay, so once you have super glued the frame, now we can add some tape around the corners to make the structure more durable, or you can just put some permanent adhesive in the corners to make sure that it will never fall off again. And as you can see, I have made a little cut right here for the adapter jack to go in. So now we can mount our LED panels onto the frame, and as you can see, they fit perfectly on top of the frame. And now we can use some hot glue to place them. Now before you paste them in place, just make sure that their inputs are in the same direction, just like that. So we can run a wire from these two pins directly inside the frame, or they will be very messy if you place it like this. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now what we can do is take our battery pack, and this is from an old transmitter that I no longer use, or it was broken or something like that. So what I'm going to do is place it on top, and this is the bottom right here because I have drilled a hole for the hot shoe mount to go in. So I am going to place it right here so that the lid can be opened and closed easily. And I have attached a switch to it, and you can mount the switch wherever you want, but I am going to just drill a hole through this wood piece right here and just place it so that it sticks out like this. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now we can start connecting all the connections together. So here is the diagram of the circuit that you need to connect. So let's now connect these wires. Okay, so now all the connection is done and it is completed, and now all you need to do is check whether the system that you have created is working or not. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it, and make sure to make some great video from this light source, and please subscribe this channel for more awesome videos like this, and thanks for watching.